Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create a real estate listing website using Wix. So here, as you can see, this is a sample website that I have created a long time ago. So we are going to, make something like this. So here, the first thing that we should do now is we have to open any of our web browser. And then using the search bar at the very top, you just have to search for Wix or Wix Studio. Okay, so if you have upgraded your Wix account to Wix Studio, so you just have to go to that website. Okay, so after that one, make sure that you have logged into your account and then just click on the create new site option at the top right of your screen. And then here, you just have to click on the use Wix editor. Okay, that's right. So when you click on this one, you'd be redirected to this page or to another tab. So here you just have to bring your ideas to life with AI. So here you can start a chat to tell them about the site you're creating and get a personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. So we are going to set up without a chat for this one. Just click on the setup without a chat. Okay, and then here, what type of website do you want to create? So for example, we are going to create a website for a real estate company or a real estate agent. So it's up to you. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, and then after selecting the type of website you want to create, just click on continue. Okay, now that they're preparing your dashboard, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then right there, you just have to tell them a bit about your business. So what is the name of your business, and then what's your business address. So you can also skip this part if you want to, so I'm just going to skip this one for now. And then the next one is you just have to set your default working hours. So I'm going to skip this part as well. And then here you can now start adding the services. So choose any of our customizable services or create one of your own. So you can create your new service right here, or you can also skip this part for now. Okay, next one is you just have to add staff members. So I'm just going to select the staff member number one and then just click on continue or skip. So what else do you want to do with your business? So other virtual sessions, accept online payments. So here you just have to, skip this part, or you can also select any of these options. Okay, so just click on continue or skip. Now that we are all set, head over to the dashboard to finish setting up our website. So just wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here on our dashboard, first thing that we should do is we have to set up our payment method. Okay, so this is one of the very important things for us when we are building our site. So just go here and then set up your payment methods. So here you can also add your first service, set your working hours, design your website, get found in Google, or discover with Wix Enterprise. Okay, so for this one, you're just going to focus on how we can set up our payment methods. So just click on set up payments. And then right here, the availability of the payments options, it will depend on your current location or business location. So currently I'm on the Philippines, so I only have these options. So if you want to change this one, just click on this region at the top, and then you just have to search for your country. So if you're planning to accept payments for credit card or debit cards, so you just have to choose the correct region of yours. For example, USA, so the credit card, debit cards payment is available in this region. So to connect this payment method, you just have to simply click on the connect option, and then here you just have to read this notes. Okay, and then after that one, just have to answer this question. So do you sell any of the prohibited products or services? So just answer this one and click on accept and continue. And then just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then what you're going to do here now is to select how customers can pay. So Wix payments give your customers the ability to pay online and in person. So you just have to toggle the switch on for this one if you wanted to include that specific payment options. And then after that, just click on continue. And of course, you have to remember that in order for you to accept payments online, you have to upgrade your site with a business and e-commerce premium plan. And yeah, so you just have to click on the upgrade button, and then you are able to accept payments online. So now let us proceed and set up our real estate listing. So just go here and click on the design site option at the top, and here, how would you like to design your website? so we can customize a template or generate the design with AI. So for this one, we are going to focus on how we can create our own from scratch. So we can click on the pick a template option or continue with the setup for now. So I'm just going to click on the pick a template. Okay, so if you're planning to, use a template on Wix, so if you don't want to build your website from scratch, so you just have to pick a template right here, and then using the search bar at the tab center, you just have to search for a specific template that you need for your website. Okay, so you'd be able to see here relevant template. So when you scroll down, you'll be able to see your different pages, so you can go there. And I clicked on the all templates, so here you can browse thousands of templates. So we have here the different pages that we can click on to find the best template that we need for our website. And we also have here the collections. So when you click on the collections, you'll be able to see that options. So now for the categories, we have the business and services, we have industrial, beauty and hair, business, and more. So for the stores, we have e-commerce, fashion and clothing. For the creative, we have photography, design, and more. The community, we also have the blog. So what we're going to do now is to click on the blank templates. In here, even though this is a blank template section, we be able to see here the different layouts as well. So we have minimal layout, classic layout, strip header layout, gallery layout, and more. So here I'm just going to select the start from scratch. So just click on the edit option and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see right here at the left side, we have, so we can add elements, add sections, we have pages and menus, add design, add apps, my business, media, and CMS. So we're going to add an app later on for this listing. Okay, so starting off, we are going to add here an image or add an element. So just go here to the add elements option and then select image. So we can upload images right here or import images, or we can also create an image using AI. So I'm just going to use an image from my computer. So just click on the upload it from computer option and then you just have to select your image. Okay, and then after selecting your image, you just have to click on the open option and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then once the image is uploaded, you just have to select it and click on the add to page option. Okay, so now you just have to adjust your image. So you just have to stretch it out. So you can also change the view to 100% or 50%. So yeah, just click on it, and then if you'd like to set it to full screen, so just click on that icon. Okay, so let me just adjust this image first. So you can go to the side of the image and you'd be able to see this adjust option, and there you just have to stretch it. Okay, that's right. So I think this one is good. Next thing that we should do now is to add here heading or a text. So I'm just going to make this video as simple as possible for you to understand on how you can create a listing from scratch. Okay, so I'm just going to add the heading number 2. So here I am going to change this one to real estate. Okay, so you can also change the color of this one, so just make sure to click on the edit text option. Then we have here the color icon for the text, and then we have the font size. I just have to adjust this one. So currently we have the 40 pixels for the font size, so you can also adjust the frame for this one to make it like this. So I want to make this text as visible as possible, so I'm going to change the color for this one. So you just have to highlight the text and then click on the edit text after that, and then you'll be able to see here now the color of the text. So just click on it and then select your color. And after selecting your color, you will then just have to place this text where it is visible. So of course, do not forget to change the size of the text. Okay, so I'm just going to put this one right here. And now finally, to add a listing section, you just have to click on the add section option and we'll be able to see here now a blank section. Or you also have an option where you can click on the add elements option right here and then go to the sections. Just go to the sections immediately. So this one. Okay, so this one below the add elements option. So this one is the add sections option. So here just have to click on the blank section, and then you'll be able to see here now the blank section. Okay, so for this one, since we already have now our blank section, we will then add our application. So just go to the add apps option, and then right here using the search bar at the top, so just make sure to click on the app market, and then using the search bar you just have to type out real estate. Okay, so if you cannot find here the application, so you have an option to click on the search bar and then search for the real estate application. Okay, so just click on enter after that, and then you'll be able to see here now the application. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So this one, so manage and display your listings. Now just click on this one, and you'll be able to see here now where I can click on the add to site option. So we have here the real estate overview. So let clients view your listings from anywhere, computer, tablet, or smartphone. So manage your listings, website update instantly when a listing updated. Fields can be configured to fit the most types of listings. So yeah, just click on the add to site option after that. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and here just have to click on the agree and add option. Okay, now that they are adding the real estate application, just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and when you scroll down, you'd be able to see it now right here. Now to create our own listing, just have to click on it and then click on the settings. And here you just have to click on the manage properties. Okay, that's right, and you'd be directed to your dashboard. Now you just have to click on add a property option. Okay, now you just have to edit your property. So we are going to add here the title, the banner, the price, the property type, and the other details. So let us start with our title. So I am going to name the first listing as a simple house or minimal modern design house, or something like that. So it's up to you what kind of property are you selling, or the property that is for rent. And then here for the banner, so here for the price, so how much is this property? So the price will depend if this property is for sale or for rent only. So yeah, for the price, maybe I'm just going to type it right here, $10,200. And for the property type, this one is a residential, and here you just have to select if it is for sale or for rent, franchise, or this one is sold. So I'm just going to type it right here, select it for sale. And for the general information, we have here the property ID. So you just have to type it right here, the property number, and then here the number of the bedrooms of your property. So for example, we have 4 bedrooms for this property, and then here the number of the bathrooms, so maybe 3, we have 3 bathrooms for this property. And then for the property size, and then the lot size, so make sure to put this details right here. And then for the contact, so just have to select here, or type out your email address. So after adding the contacts, you can now type out right here the details of your property. So you can start off with this property is etc, etc. Next one is the features. So we have here the pool. So if this one has a pool, we also have balcony, the parking, and the fireplace. And if you would like to add a new feature, so you just have to click on add new feature. And now for your image, you just have to click on upload your first image right here. And then of course, you just have to upload media from your computer. And yeah, you can also use media from Wix. So for this example, I'm just going to use media from Wix, and then using the search bar, I'm just going to type out right here, real estate. Okay, that's right. And then you just have to select the image. Then after that, you just have to click on the add to page. So I'm going to add here 2 different image. Okay. So after that one, just click on the add to page option, and be able to see here now the photos. Now for the map, you just have to locate your property on the map. So just click on the map option right here, and then you can zoom in or zoom out, and then you just have to select the location of your property. Okay, and then here you can also type out this specific address, and then after that, just click on the save option. And then you'll be able to see here now your property. And then if you would like to add a new property, just click on this plus icon and you'll be able to see here now the section once again. So you just have to do the same. Just have to fill out this section. Now let us try to see if we have successfully added our first property for our listing. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have this now. So let us try to preview this property. Okay, so when our customers visit our website, so they'd be able to see this one, and when they clicked on see full details, they'd be able to see here now the available photos, and then be able to see here now the details of our property. We have the property ID, the property type, the address. So you have to make sure that all of the important details for your property are here. So you can go back to the editor section, and when you clicked on the property and click on settings, you'd be able to see here now that you can edit also the font style. You also have here the font size, we have the background color, the text color, and the pagination color. So you also have here the different details for this property. So after finalizing your listing, you will then just have to click on the publish option. Then after that, just click on done. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.